In this video, we'll explore the subtotal and aggregate functions in Microsoft Excel. These are advanced functions designed for more flexible and intelligent calculations, offering superior alternatives to the basic sum function. The basic sum function in Excel has a couple of key limitations. Firstly, it includes hidden rows in its calculations, meaning that if you filter out or hide certain data, sum will still count it, leading to incorrect totals. Secondly, if there's even a single error in the range of cells you're summing, the entire calculation breaks down and returns an error. The subtotal function offers a smarter way to perform calculations that adapt to your data. The basic syntax of the subtotal function is as follows: equals subtotal, open parenthesis, function underscore number, comma, ref1, close parenthesis. The function underscore number argument specifies which calculation to perform, like sum or average, while ref1 is the range of cells you want to calculate. Key features of subtotal include its ability to automatically ignore hidden rows and exclude other subtotal results, preventing double counting. The subtotal function uses numbers to specify which calculation to perform. The number 9 corresponds to the sum function, so subtotal, open parenthesis, 9, A1, A10, close parenthesis calculates the sum of the values in cells A1 through A10, while ignoring hidden rows. Similarly, the number 1 represents the average function, 2 represents count, 4 represents max, 5 represents min, and 3 represents counta. It's worth noting that the most commonly used function numbers are 9 for sum and 1 for average. The aggregate function is the most powerful calculation function available in Excel. It offers an enhanced syntax compared to subtotal, allowing for even greater flexibility. The syntax is equals aggregate, open parenthesis, function underscore number, comma, options, comma, array, close parenthesis. In addition to specifying the calculation type and the range of cells, aggregate also includes an options argument, which lets you customize how the function handles errors, hidden rows, and other nested calculations. Superior features of aggregate include its ability to automatically ignore errors, intelligently handle hidden rows, and offer customizable ignore options. The options parameter in the aggregate function provides fine-grained control over how the function behaves. Using the number 4, you can tell aggregate to ignore hidden rows only. The number 5 makes it ignore error values only. Specifying 6 tells aggregate to ignore both hidden rows and error values. And the number 7 instructs aggregate to ignore hidden rows, errors, and nested subtotal or aggregate functions. The most common usage is aggregate, open parenthesis, 9, 6, A1, A10, close parenthesis to sum the values in cells A1 through A10, while ignoring both errors and hidden rows. Let's look at a practical example to compare the sum, subtotal, and aggregate functions. Suppose we have sales data in cells B2 through B10, with some rows hidden and some cells containing errors. If we use the sum function, open parenthesis, B2, B10, close parenthesis, the result will be an error because sum doesn't handle errors. If we use the subtotal function, open parenthesis, 9, B2, B10, close parenthesis, the result will be $45,000 because subtotal ignores hidden rows. However, it won't ignore errors. Finally, if we use the aggregate function, open parenthesis, 9, 6, B2, B10, close parenthesis, the result will also be $45,000 because aggregate ignores both errors and hidden rows, giving us the correct total. So, when should you use each function? Use subtotal when you're working with filtered data, creating structured reports, or building summary tables. On the other hand, use aggregate when your data contains errors, you're working with complex datasets, or you need maximum flexibility in your calculations. In general, aggregate is often the safer choice for robust calculations, as it handles both hidden rows and errors automatically. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.